guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I want to give you some shop updates and share the new rabbit hole designs release and also recap on the new spring release for Not Too Shabby. So for the shop updates, you're going to see some new content on my channel. So we're going to have the design team members post directly to my channel as well as their channel. So you can catch some of their design team projects on my channel. So that's very exciting. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell for notifications. We have two new design team members. So we have Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa here on YouTube, and we also have Alicia from Call Me Crafty Al. I will have the blog post in the description box with everyone's social media links so you can give them a follow. And we also have a guest designer this month. Her name is Alma, and I'll have her YouTube channel in the description box for you so you can head on over and give her a follow. She is Sintang Mayumi on YouTube. So we just released a spring mini release and we're having a hop tomorrow. So come join us tomorrow. It's going to be a small hop. We're going to have lots of inspiration on how to use these products here. These super cute stamps designed by Teresa Russell. We have a cute truck stamp, which is called Flower Truck. It's got some flowers that you could put in the bed of the truck. Very, very fun, cute. And then we've got the Easter wishes with that cute bunny rabbit and the Easter eggs and the Easter basket. And then this beautiful paper pad with the spring dots. We've got mini dots on one side and polka dots on the other side in these beautiful colors. I also restocked the Frosted and Tufted paper pad. So if you missed out on this for our Valentine's Day release, it's back in stock. It is gorgeous. Look at that tufted design and then that frosting. Oh, this paper is so yummy. So for the rabbit hole designs, this is a beautiful collection. So it all kind of coordinates this beautiful design with the rabbits. This one's called the Hip Hop Squad. This is a larger stamp set. We've got 3 images here with the bunnies. They look like they're going to go paint their little eggs with this guy here. He's got the paint set. And then it's got some really great sentiments to go with it. Painting you an excellent day. You're extra special to me. I'm ecstatic to have you as a friend. Happy Easter. Hip Hop Squad. There's a little from sentiment there. Really cute. And then we've got the spring delivery stamp set. So a cute little bunny on a Vespa with some. We've got the sentiments. Friends are like flowers. They fill the world with beauty. Get well soon and special delivery. I love this one. This one is the bunny bouquet. He's just like plopped down in a pile of leaves and flowers, kind of like doing a little snow angel, but with flowers. So cute. And look at his little ears are in the shape of a heart. Here we've got Adventure Awaits. So we've got a suitcase, a camera. That little bunny is waving behind the suitcase with the sentiment smile, bon voyage, adventure awaits. Thank you for your part in my journey. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. Good times and crazy friends make the best memories. And here's a smaller stamp set. This is Clover Bunny. So sweet little bunny holding the 4-leaf clover, and you get an extra one right there. And then we've got a good friend is like a 4-leaf clover, hard to find and lucky to have. That's a great sentiment. Happy St. Patrick's Day, and I'm head over clover about you. And then I really like this one as well. This one is Come Fly With Me. So it's like a hot air balloon made out of flowers. And then we've got the stamp here for your background. It's a bunch of little bows. We've got floating Bye to say hi. We rise by lifting others. Just a note to cheer you up. And our friendship is the greatest adventure. There's 2 paper pads, Spring Floral 1 and Spring Floral 2. I believe I'm almost sold out on those. I have one left of, I think it's this one, Spring Floral 1. We have some really pretty ephemera. I think it's an 8-piece ephemera pack. So matches those images. And then we've got dies to the stamp. So if you're looking for the dies for the rabbit hole, we've got the dies. They come in this little pouch here. So we've got it for the spring delivery. We've got it for the Clover Bunny. Oh, this one's open so I could show you. So nice die, nice and solid. We've got the Clover Bunny, the Hip Hop Squad, and Adventure Awaits. So come check out our hop tomorrow. We're going to have a giveaway. We're going to give away a gift certificate to the shop. Lots of fun stuff. So hope to see you there, and I will catch you real soon in the next video. Take care, guys.